The Fox and the Stork. Once a fox and a stork were good friends. One day, the fox invited the stork for dinner. When the stork reached there, the table was already laid. The stork was disappointed to see the soup served in shallow dishes. "I have made this delicious soup myself. Enjoy your meal," said the fox. The stork could not have any soup as the dish was too shallow. But the fox easily lapped up all the soup. "You don't seem to be hungry. Can I have your soup too?" asked the fox. The poor stork did not say anything. She went home hungry. 1 week later, the stork met the fox in the jungle. The stork invited the fox for lunch at her house. When the fox went to the stork's house, he smelled the delicious fish stew. The stork served the stew in long and narrow pitchers. This time, the stork happily enjoyed the stew with her long bill, and all the fox could do was to lick the outside of the pitcher. The fox realized that the stork made him learn a bitter lesson. Moral of the story: one bad turn begets another.